Anyways, so we're doing a fit of the day video, like on a budget to a point, kind of. It's not super expensive. You don't have to spend like $300, $400 on a fucking outfit from like Karmaloop or anything like that, or like Plunder or whatever. Most of the stuff is very affordable. It's in a decent price range, and we got this idea from Always Fresh Apparel. We're watching one of his videos, and yeah, shouts out to him. Go subscribe to him and me. Anyways, so yeah, let's get into it. So we got the cap right here.
Okay.
So we got Mishka, black snaps, white cap, Death Adder's hat, and this was about 30 bucks at a mall. I don't know. They might have it on Karmaloop.
I think it is.
Second thing is we have this South Pole. What's it called?
Huh?
I don't even know what
Letterman's
it's called.
jacket.
Letterman jacket, and it's not leather or anything. It's all cloth. But this was, I got it at Gordman's. It's a discount store for about 24 bucks. And normally it's like 60. So there's that. I just got some. These are Levi's, but they're like, I got them at Target. I got them at Target one day, and they're called Denizen. And yeah, and then get down to the shoes. Yeah, close up. There we got white Vans with white laces, and that's about it. Alright, done. Peace.